If your Tapo camera won't connect, start with the basics. Make sure the camera is powered on and the power cable is firmly plugged in. Confirm that your Wi-Fi router is working properly and has an active internet connection. If everything looks fine, restart both devices. Unplug the camera for about 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in. Do the same with your router to refresh the network. Next, check your Wi-Fi settings. Tapo cameras only support 2.4 GHz networks, not 5 GHz, so make sure your phone and camera are connecting to the correct band. Also verify the Wi-Fi password you entered in the Tapo app. Even a small typo will prevent connection. Keep your camera within proper Wi-Fi range and avoid thick walls or interference from other electronics. Update the Tapo app and the camera's firmware, since outdated software often causes connection failures. If it still won't connect, perform a full reset. Press and hold the reset button for about 5 seconds until the LED flashes red, then set the camera up again through the app. For persistent issues, check your router settings for MAC filtering, client isolation, or firewall restrictions that may block the device. Assigning a static IP can also improve stability. If none of these steps work, contact Tapo customer support for device-specific assistance.